Hi guys, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky here, and today it's time to send the giveaway Telecaster over to Featured 365. So let's head to the post office. Now if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe for a chance to win our next giveaway project guitar, which that video actually starts as soon as I get home. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, who's ready to get started on another build? I know I am. Let's go. Here we have our next giveaway guitar build kit. This is from Must Lady, Muse Lady, whatever. Something like that. Probably Muse Lady because it's music. My guess. You know, that might not be accurate. I don't know. Don't really care. Not sponsored. So, there you go. Flip that open. And now, you can see, that's a long neck. Well, yeah, because this is a bass build. That's right, folks. 4 tuners in the headstock. Building a bass. Again, this was requested. There's no nut in it, so I'm hoping there is a nut somewhere in this kit. Let's have a look at the body here. This is going to be a basswood, however you say it, body. Multi-piece construction, you know. Got a little bit of Jazzmaster vibe to it. Looking pretty cool. And here is our bag o' bits. And again, unlike our first kit build, this one comes with instructions in the box. And then here is pick guard. Do something with that. Now, let's have a look here. This is our control bits, or pots and jack all together. Okay. So yeah, this one is definitely going to require some soldering. So I'll get to use a new tool. And here is our neck plate and screws, as well as our strap buttons. And we have tuners in. Yep, there's the nut. Let's check out these tuners, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh. Nice open gear design. That's pretty cool. I will might do something cool with those. We'll see. Then we have our bridge and 2 pickups, screws, and springs. Now here we have an Allen wrench and another cable. So chuck that in there. Then of course you also have a set of strings. And as you guys, if you've been following along so far, you know I don't use the strings that come in the kit. But we do use them for setting up. And this one may require a bit of setup. We'll see. Let's see. Feel along the sides of the fretboard. The frets are rounded over on the ends, so you're not going to catch yourself with these while you're playing. That's not bad. The fitment of the fretboard to the neck, pretty good. Let's see how the neck fits in the body. This one can slide in and out. There is, oh yeah. Can you see that? Yeah. Gonna have to be careful when I put this one together to make sure that I get as much contact as possible. Now you notice there's no holes drilled for the neck plate. There's no holes drilled for the bridge. There's no holes drilled for the strap buttons. So this one, and no holes drilled for the tuners, for the screws that hold the tuners in. If you take one of these tuners, it's got 4 screws that hold it in. See? And there are no holes drilled for those. So, see how that goes. Gonna have to work on lining those up. This is actually pretty good because I want to challenge myself with each build. And this will definitely be a challenge. So, now look at these pickups, shall we? This is definitely much more of an advanced level kit than the previous one. The previous kit was pretty beginner level. Everything was pre-terminated. Everything was, pretty much set up, ready to go out of the box. All the holes were drilled. Everything was pretty much, just plug and play. Choose your finish, get that done, plug and play, and then play. So these are our pickups, and obviously they will go in here like this. Now this is curious. They are not marked bridge or neck, but the instructions may tell us, which is which. But yeah, this bridge slot is rather tight. So may have to open that up a bit. We'll see. Say it was a $60 kit. $60 kit versus a $100 kit, I imagine. There's going to be some differences. A little bit of less pre-assembly done for you. But all in all, it doesn't look bad. And weekend before last, I went out to the World War II Museum's Air, Sea, and Land Festival to get some ideas for what I want to do with this guitar. And I got some ideas. I definitely got some ideas. We might go sans pickguard on this one because the holes aren't drilled. The pickup does not mount to the pickguard, nor does the control unit. The control unit mounts like that, and then the pickguard is made to go around it like such. And that looks alright. But I'm thinking maybe we can do a little better. I'm thinking no pickguard, because they were kind enough to wire everything up to where to where you don't need a pickguard. So if I don't need it, maybe, just maybe, I decide to not use it. If I don't use it, then that gives me a lot more area on the front here for my graphics. Yes, I said graphics. Because on this particular build, I saw a P-51 Mustang called Charlotte's Chariot, and I am going to build this in a style to pay homage to that particular warbird. Now, this is going to be a much more intense bit of painting, and it will take a while for us to get the paint cured off, cured, and all that to where we can sand it, cut it, buff it. So it's going to take a little while to do this particular guitar. I think it'll be worth it. I think it's going to be cool as can be. So, if you want a chance to win this bass guitar, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below. Liking is not strictly required, but it helps the channel. So, if you don't mind, I'd appreciate it. So, full rules for the giveaway will be in the description below, and links to stuff that I use in the build, tools, parts, pieces, this kit. If I can find this on Amazon, I'll leave a link to it. I bought this one off of eBay. Like I say, it was 60 bucks, 65 bucks, something like that. And it's not bad. It is, like I say, it is more of a slightly advanced level kit though. So maybe if you built a kit like the last one, you'd be ready to do a kit like this one. This one will require a bit more patience, but hey, the beautiful thing about taking up a hobby that requires patience is it will teach it to you. So, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, which will be right there. If you haven't checked out the previous build, I'll link the playlist right there. And the most recent video from the channel will be right down there. So until next time, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky saying, keep rocking, and you can win.